All right. So yeah, my chef Matt is ready for this. He's been working out really hard. I've been working with my chef for over 3 years now. He's a good chef, so he's ready for this event. Be ready for him. Let's go. Let's go, wee.
Congratulations, Matt. You got this. We're all rooting for you. Your hard work finally paid off.
We're proud of you, Matt. Go for it.
From the Tech Committee, go Matt!
Go Marketplace! Go Matt!
Go Chef Matt!
We're so happy for you. We wish you all the best. We have a good luck gingerbread man to take with you.
Fantastic.
If you need more to help you win, you can have some of these.
Are the results of the future resident survey in? Why do people want to move here?
The food! Good luck, Chef Matt!